And we back. Actually had oh my God, it's full of dust. Had to call some reinforcements. I called Frank the Tank, come help me slap in this transmission. Got the torque converters in there, got a starter ready, and we already got the flywheel up in there. So we should be almost ready to slap that transmission on. We actually had an issue with the transmission. We put that torque converter on and it wasn't spinning, but that was just because I had it put up for a few months. I'm talking about maybe more like a year and a half. But we almost ready to get that boy in there. There we go, we got that flywheel in. I ain't gonna lie to you, what slowed me down is I lost all the bolts. Well, they're somewhere, but man, you know, sometimes you gotta just say, fuck it, let me go get some new shit. But right now, I'm finna mock up the starter and make sure we got the correct flywheel and starter combo before we slap in that transmission. And I need to see if we got clearance with the header. So right now we're gonna slap that starter in and check it out. So we got a problem. I mocked up the starter. We either got the wrong flywheel or the wrong starter. I don't think it's the starter, but it could be. That's way too much gap. The Bendix ain't even gonna touch that flywheel, dog. Come on. I mean, I know the starter comes with shims, but we got a problem. I think it's the wrong flywheel. At the back of the shop, we got this damn junk engine my brother never took nowhere. Been sitting in the rain for like 5 years. We actually stole the bolts for the flywheel. And I'm kind of glad we got it out. So this one's 14 inches, a little bit more. The other one that they gave me is 13 inches. And yes, this is a 350 as well. So we actually need to go swap out that flywheel, whatever the fuck y'all want to call it. I've known it as flywheel all my life, so correct me if I am wrong on these terms. So like I showed y'all, the other one's about 14 inches. This one's about 13 and some change. So that inch will definitely have the Bendix touching it. So God dang O'Reilly's got me doing shit double work, but it's all right. We'll get it right. As y'all can see, this is an original one. I'm not gonna use that motherfucker. I want a new one. But you see the big difference? It's about an inch and something. So let's see. I'm gonna take this down to the part shop so they can match it up for me. But I'll hit y'all back. All right, came back from that stinking O'Reilly's. Look like we finally got the correct part. Finna slap it back in.
Easy to use website.
All right, we gave it a second try. Slapped this other one. As y'all can see, it looks like we on the money. Well, at least close. Try to get the Bendix in there. Yeah. You see? I might have to shim it. There we go. Oh, it might not even need shims, actually. I'm gonna have to double check that. Hold on, I can't do it. Okay, there we go. Oh, I think we good. We golden, baby. Oh yeah, and it springs back. Yeah, we good, I think. Maybe. If not, maybe one little bitty shim. It might take one shim. And it is the Big Dookie starter, but we got plenty of clearance. We're gonna heat wrap the headers. I might even get that healed shield, whatever for this as well, just because the headers do be getting hot. But we might be ready to slap in the transmission.
Apparently it's ready to be fixed.
Alright, I put some shims in that starter. It looks pretty good. I might have to add or remove a few. I'll just check it once we got it all wired up and bump it a few times. Now we get ready to slap this bad boy in. I gotta lift up the car a little bit. We ain't lifted up high enough.
Give it something a little better than that. Alright, let's get to work on this thing.
With this new air suspension, Dr. Scott can change the stance of the vehicle just by touching the button. It's going to be a huge... So maybe we'll get... Productions that always said have a professional put this in. I had to quit. How's that 1 hour comedy tour working for you? It's terrifying.
Woo! Yeah, that kind of hurt.
56 horsepower?
Yeah.
Well, that's what we're all about, making this thing cool.
That's where you should find your select your product, add an oil change to your car, and check out. Spend $100 and ship them off. That place is a warehouse store.
We've been working the roadster thing in the top. But I think, what's this thing, Chop? So, are we in agreement that 5 inches to get the pile, the trash empty next to it, there's all... Very good. Can't turn that down.
Oh, he's in the back.
Only thing left to do is do it. Probably 4 hours to go. I have it all now finished. Then it's time to move on. What do you think?
I think this thing looks awesome. I freaking love it. I think it's the perfect amount of chop. It's just nice.
It's all on the board right now. So like, you look at the 3/4.
I think it's just like on that way.
So like,
It looks freaking awesome.
the job is done, the metal work is done. We're checking out the roasting this. This is going in. So I got to go to the next thing.
All right, fellas and ladies. I don't know, I just thought there was a good angle to look at. As y'all can see, where we need to mate the transmission to the engine block. Kind of hard to lift up the jack underneath here, but you can kind of see what we got going.
It looks incredible.
That's sick. I think the first thing that strikes you when you see it is the response of the whole thing. It looks like a liquid just waiting around, man. Like some thing from the future. That could cost a $5 billion.
I want to say the interior because the amount of work we went into it. So after we got the body stripped down to bare metal, we cut out the floors because we channeled the chassis through the floors to give it the stance. All one-off handmade stuff. The dash is super clean.
I don't know if I'm ready. Okay. On the count of three, so it's gonna go 1, 2, and then boom. 1, 2. You got it close. There it goes. On my side, almost in. Are you high or were you low? Oh, yeah, I'm right there. Oh, shit. What you need? To the left a little bit. See, I jacked too fucked up, I think, right there. Yeah, you know what? Hold it right there. I might be able to get one screw on my side. Can you hold it or it's too heavy? No, I can hold it. Because if I could get one of these bolts started, it would be good. Okay, we got that one started. So we need to go down a little. It's right there, huh? Cool. Kind of help me hold it while I guide the rest of these bolts in. Make sure it don't slip. Don't slip on the drip. See, I should have just waited and just waited for you to help me on both sides. Now you can say you put a transmission in for oh, man, I'm gonna have to take that old paint. Look how I fucked it up. Look, the paint.
Oh yeah, the bottom.
It's alright, I can unbolt it, we repaint it, put it back. It sucks, but fuck it, right? I remember, well, I had a box of Capri's like I gave my nephew in high school. Dog, that bitch broke down on me so much, I changed that transmission like 5 times because I didn't have money to take it to the shop. I would buy a junkyard transmission. That's what I'm saying, and this bitch kicking my ass. I'm like, man, back then, I guess, well, fuck it, I was just younger and I just wanted to ride and shit. I'm telling you, I would have to pull him out the junkyard, pull mine out, put that one in, and it happened a lot, fool. And I should have took it to go get rebuilt, but my dumb ass, when you broke, fuck it, I'll try the junkyard one, and boom, it popped, like, bitch. All right, see if you let it go. Let's see if it'll stay. Okay, let me get on that side.
Offset,
And look, we don't got the correct shit.
Yeah.
They got a motherfucking thing for the jack.
Yeah.
That cradles the
the bottom.
The bottom perfectly.
Yeah.
That's why, and then they wouldn't have did all that shit. That's my dumb ass. But look, when you help me, it ain't really slip.
Yeah.
So it's not that hard.
Okay.
Well, this shit, newer shit gets complicated. This is old.
Yeah.
But this is still.
It's reasonable.
You know.
Here we got it.
There we go. We got the cross member sitting where it need to go. As y'all can see the carnage. Man, that shit look like trash now. I'm gonna have to take it off and either get another one or sand that down and repaint it. But to be honest with you, I think I'm gonna leave it like that to the test drive, and then we'll see what's up. But it's in there. Now I need to get the cover. I got a cover that goes there. We got to do dipstick. We also got to do the shifter cable. I think a vacuum line goes here. The speedo goes on the other side. But we're getting it together. So now that we got that transmission cross member, the motor's gonna sit there. I didn't want to keep messing with them headers because I didn't know exactly where the motor was gonna sit. The other side cleared perfectly. This one, as y'all can see, they hidden right there on the frame. It's all right. I just give them a little love tap. and then I'll be able to fit them, and we also gonna heat wrap them. So that's probably the next project. I'm still not 100% done with the transmission. Still gotta hook up the lines and the dipstick, and double check everything's tight, but it's on there. Also, a few things, the linkage and all that, but we'll get to it.